going to do the male part of the pelvic cavity. So again, we start out with the ureters that bring urine from the kidneys to the bladder. So I have the bladder right here. And then the urethra takes the urine from the bladder, the urinary bladder, out of the body. So in the case of the female, we only had one urethra. Well, we also only have one urethra in the male, but it's composed of 3 different segments. So we have the prostatic urethra, just gonna run through the prostate gland, then the membranous urethra, which is a very small segment right here, and then the urethra that runs the rest of the way out of the body is the spongy or penile urethra. So whereas the female, it's just called the urethra, and the male, there's 3 different segments that each have different names. So prostatic, membranous, spongy, or penile urethra. Now moving into the reproductive viscera, we have the scrotum, which is the sac containing the testes. So 2 different testes, 2 testes, 1 scrotum. So the 1 scrotum is going to contain both testes. So this blue portion in here would be more of the testes, and then we're also going to have the epididymis, which is going to rest by the testes. The epididymis is where sperm is stored and is able to be matured. And so once it is matured, it can go into the vas deferens or the ductus deferens. And on this model, it's just kind of this little brown structure here, but that is going to be the vas deferens. So that's going to contain the movement of mature sperm. We also see the seminal vesicles. So there are two seminal vesicles. It's gonna be this one. And so the seminal vesicles are going to meet with the vas deferens, and those are going to together form the ejaculatory duct. And then this duct is going to run through the prostate gland. Okay. Then this segment here is the penis. So we have the corpus spongiosum. So if we think of the spongy urethra, so this pink area is going to be the corpus spongiosum, so the spongy. Okay. Then this blue segment here is going to be the corpus cavernosum, and blood is going to run through here. And then this red muscle, as you can see underneath the corpus spongiosum, is the bulbospongiosus. Yes, that's an interesting word to say. Bulbospongiosus muscle. And so this is also going to aid in the erection, but this will also fill with blood and aid in erection. And that is all I have.